with his valuable knowledge. Thank you so much, sir, once again from me.
And I extend my best wishes of Happy New Year 2022. Hope this new year be the harbinger of happiness and prosperity to everybody's life. We have with us Honorable Chairman of Tripura Gramin Bank, along with other dignitaries, staffs of this Gramin Bank, media friends. It's a very reputed name, Tripura Gramin Bank. It needs no further introduction from my side. It has had a very significant role in the past in strengthening or galvanizing the rural economy of our state since its inception way back in 1976. And it has been doing the same in the socio-economical development of our state since long. And now I'm very happy to note, happy to see here that as a part of their social responsibility, social cause, they are committed as it is self-evident from their activities. This blood donation camp has been organized today as we have been celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav for the last few months in the state of Tripura and across the nation as well. And our state, Tripura, we are also after we are celebrating the statehood. 50 years completion of our statehood, and we are celebrating on 21st of January. Honorable Prime Minister was supposed to come on 21st of January, but he has preponed the program and he is making his visit on 4th of this month, day after tomorrow, where this inauguration of newly built airport will be there, along with other programs. Finally, a massive rally will be addressed by him. So all these are part of our Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. And Gramin Bank has also taken the initiative to celebrate the same with great dignity and honor. And blood donation camp, so far it is concerned, our doctor is also here. It is a noble cause, as has been rightly depicted by the chairman of Gramin Bank. There has been no alternative of blood. Scientists, on several occasions, they have tried to come out with an alternative to blood, but they have failed in doing the same. Irrespective of any caste, creed, color, religion, community, blood, this is a life which you want to give to people. Since there has been no alternative to blood, we have to help each other with blood donation and give life to the people. My earnest submission to all of you would be, especially in these days of, competition, in these days of, blood donation camp, we have organized at many levels, at every level. Whenever you get a phone call from any corner in the night at 11 o'clock, that my mother is admitted in GB hospital and she is in deep trouble, would you please kindly arrange a unit blood for her? If we are in a position to provide the same, we feel happy. But we fail, we feel unhappy. It has become a regular and daily drama of our life. So blood donation camp, there is no alternative. My humble submission to all of you would be to give respect and get respect. And this is the biggest way how we can help the people. Once again, I take this opportunity to thank you all for organizing this blood donation camp here. I am sure that the staffs, the way they have taken up the matter to help people, help the mankind, and social benevolence, this will be continued in the days to come also. And the way Gramin Bank of Tripura, they have been performing since their inception in the state, the status will be maintained, be it at social level, be it at socio-economic level, every level. In the coming days also, they will come out with flying color. So far, their performance is concerned. As of now, their performance, it speaks in volume. I don't know what is the stake. I mean,
10,000 crores.
no, the Grameen Bank stake. I mean,
So 15% of
15%, 15% state government. So it adds to the economy of our state, especially when it comes to the rural economy. And our state, we know, we have many banks over here. SBI, it is a dominant partner. UBI, recently there has been a merger of many banks with PNB also. But Grameen Bank, when it comes to our rural economy, it has been standing tall and high since its inception. And I must say, it is rather my conviction that establishment, when a robust establishment has to be there, it has to be built brick by brick on hard work. There is no fast track. So exactly, Grameen Bank has been following the same path, and I wish that this performance should be maintained, and in the coming days it comes out with flying color, so that the rural people, because our father of the nation, as we are celebrating 75 years of our independence, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we remember our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, with great dignity and honor. He stated rightly that true development of the nation cannot take place unless and until there is proper development in the rural areas. Bharat ko jano. You must know the rural India. And rural India cannot survive, develop without this type of initiatives. So the way you are providing loans to the people, the way you have taken initiative for the socio-economic development of the rural people, that should be continued in the coming years also. And I'm sure that in the coming times, coming years, this Grameen Bank, this establishment will be a robust one. So far the economy of Tripura is concerned, and it will be number one in the state of our Tripura. These few words, I thank you all for having me invited here and giving me the opportunity to share my views. I wish Grameen Bank of Tripura be the leading partner in the coming days. So far, the Tripura's economic is concerned.
Pleased to announce that. And also our